So this is the mic we're using, the RØDE VideoMic Me L with the lightning jack. Just be very careful when you're putting this on. Just make sure it's, it's common sense. It's square and you'll just get a little click and that's on. This mic is okay for what we're doing. I've chosen this mic because this course is aimed at people recording on their iPhones, and if you're within a meter of your phone, of the camera, this sound will be just fine, and you won't have to worry about making a lapel look neat, having extra cables and things like that. This will be fine. And when you want to take it off, I think just hold your phone and just click it off like that. You can find what works for you. It has a jack at the back so that you can plug in your headphones to listen to your sound before you start recording, as you know. So plug that in, headphones on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a little tap to make sure it's recording. Make sure the sound is there and it's plugged in properly. We'll go into the sound and specifics of the levels in a little while. Okay, let's tell you about this VideoMic Pro app.